welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to stand out this year? Do you want your video to be recommended, or you want to be outstanding this 2021? Watch this video to the end. You're gonna learn some steps or some new things that's gonna help you grow your
mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Let's jump into the video right now. 2021, a lot of changes has been already made from 2020 before we enter in 2021 on YouTube. So a lot of changes have been coming up and a lot of things has been happening that is going to help or it's going to affect us one way or the other to grow our channel if you work towards it. Okay, one thing I'm going to tell you for you to be noticed on YouTube. Alright, to be successful and grow your channel as an upcoming YouTuber, as a growing YouTuber, or a small YouTuber, or even a big YouTuber. Alright, one thing you should know that this year is later on, our subscribers are very important. They're the king, they're the winners. When you have them, they always get our notifications, alright, to watch your videos at any time, okay? But now, your subscribers are less important. I always say that your subscribers, you don't get their notification. That is why. This is one of those new features that YouTube came up with algorithmically, okay? That your videos are being recommended from people that are not even subscribed to you. So to check if they're going to click through and watch your video. And that is why I'm trying to tell you right now that your subscribers are less important. What is important right now is your ability to produce good content, to produce good videos, alright? Gonna like your audience to watch a video to the end and be able to subscribe to your channel and follow you up. This is a new game right now, alright? Your factors is gonna help the small channel to grow more if you know what you're doing. And it's gonna make this big channel to have less views if they don't even know what they're doing. Alright, so this is favorable for everyone. It's not just to push the big channels, it's now to push everyone depending on what you do on your channel, and that is what is gonna bring you out there to be noticed. Okay, what is important presently now is click-through rate of your video. How crazy people are clicking into your video, all right? And the next thing you're going to talk about is your AVD, all right? How engaged are they watching that video? These are the factors that the algorithm is waiting for to push out your content out there. Are people not watching, they're not clicking in, and they are watching and not watching to the end or a reasonable minute or watch hour on that video? It doesn't show any signs of progress for that video. So now a lot of things now, they are following up our content algorithmically, so to make sure that the reasonable content are being recommended. So another thing is that if your videos falls into those things that the viewers are watching, they are searching at the moment, bingo, you've won it. All right, your videos is going to be recommended, it's going to be pushed out there. All right, so this year, so the table has been turned, and I want everybody to draw your seatbelt, be ready, and get to work. All right, at the high click-through rate, when you have that engaging video, your AVG is so high, let me tell you something, your watch hour will start increasing. So it must surely start to say, make any one video as if it's gonna blow up. This is the one that is gonna blow up, and that is when you put passion in doing that video to get the highest production. Okay, next. Stand for quality or you stand for quantity. Whichever you stand for, make sure you do your best to produce the best out of it. For me this year, I stand for quality. Even if I make one video a week, I make sure I invest all my energy, all my time, and everything, starting from my thumbnail to the end, the outro of that video. I put in my best to make sure. And always have in mind, you need one video to change, okay? To change everything about your channel. You need one content to do. On part of quality of the video, I've talked about it on my live streaming. You work on your lighting, getting yourself a good gadget. You mustn't record your videos with a camera. If you don't have a camera, get yourself a good phone, all right? script, go research, do your things on your content, what you talk about, organize yourself, put yourself together, and everything is gonna be alright. Okay, stands out means, okay, so work on the quality of the video. Even if you're making everyday video, that is, you're working on the quantity, making everyday update, alright, or upload. Make sure you put in on all your best. So this year, based on the quality, there's a lot of things you're gonna work on. You're gonna work on your editing skills, you're gonna work on your title, your content, and everything about it, how you present yourself on your video and all that. All these things are things that you're going to work on the quality of the videos. So when people, let's talk about the number 3, and that is targeting audience video. Okay, trying to make sure that any video that you're making is engaging. Okay, it's true that you always say make videos based on your passion, those things that you love to do, but now so we have to be very careful. You have to make videos that you think your audience will love to watch, because the algorithm now is great, not actually the performance of your subscribers. Okay, so that is why we have to step up on making our content this year. Okay, making an engaging content, what our viewers would love to watch in our channel. Remember, you making a video on YouTube, you are a problem solver. You are now solving the audience problem, because your audience are coming to your video or to your channel to watch your content because they are looking for a solution to a problem. So that is why we are advised to stick on that problem solving section to make sure you get a result and answers to their problem. And that is how the engagement works. If what you're saying is what they needed at the moment, they're going to stay with you to the end. Okay, so work on videos that will trigger, that will hook your audience to the end. All right, it's algorithmically measured. All right, so noticed on YouTube, and that was the first question I asked: how to get noticed on YouTube, or how do I hook my audience? This is the fourth one. So working on this fourth one, we have to work on our thumbnail, we have to work on our title content for us to be noticed. Your thumbnail must be detailed, all right, lightened, filtered, and beautiful. Write the topic boldly. Okay, not just write all the topic on the thumbnail. Write those few words on the thumbnail and keep the whole write-up on your title section, so that when people see it, they know what it's going to talk about and read the title for them to click into your videos. So you're going to work on those ones. It's going to help you a lot. The same, okay, the right time, making the video for the right time. But when you sure you're uploading during the season, okay, you can be making an Easter video and posting it after Easter, so it's out of time. So make sure making a trending video after so many months after the video has trended. No, when it's trending, if you can catch on that content that is trending, make the video immediately. Make it, let it. Another thing I'm going to advise is sharing out. Sharing out is going to help a lot, because with this system of the algorithm trying to recommend our videos to anyone, not just our subscribers right now, invest more time, more productive time in making your videos. It's going to help you a lot this year. Okay, make a lot of research, go out there, research, read a lot of things, go and search and know what is going on. If you don't have a niche, okay, what's going on, or videos that you love to do, and make those videos on there. Okay, be patient, be patient, be patient. You're gonna hit there, because you never know when it's gonna happen. If you're not working, you cannot be talking about blowing up, because you're not working for it. But if you're investing more energy and working so hard for your channel, and you pay in mind when it's gonna blow up, it's gonna happen for you. So we have to follow these new rules, all right, and new changes, trying to hook on our audience. That is the only way to be successful on YouTube. That's 2021 upwards. All right, our goal for 2021 on YouTube success and channel growth. Thank you everyone that is watching me right now, especially my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for being part of this family. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you my members of my channel. Thank you guys for your renewals, for always coming back, checking out what's going on, and growing this channel along with me. Thank you my new subscribers that are watching right now, that are going to subscribe. Please make sure you push on the bell, okay, so that if you get a notification or not, you can always remember that I'm part of your family. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video.